Eid is almost here, and you've got a ton of family and friends to wish? Don't panic, I've got you covered. Today, I'm about to show you how to create 100 plus stunning Eid cards in just 1 minute using Canva and a little AI magic. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to Canva. Once you're there, search for Eid Mubarak card templates. Now, here's a pro tip. Keep it simple and clean. Sure, fancy designs are nice, but today, we're all about speed. Step 2. Unveil the magic. Canva's bulk create feature. You'll find it under the apps menu. This is your secret weapon for creating dozens, yes, dozens, of cards at the same time. Game changer. But hold up. You're not planning to type out 100 names by hand, right? Nah, we're smarter than that. Here's the trick. Ask an AI like DeepSeek to give you something like, give me 50 unique Eid wishes with different Muslim names. Bam! Instant content ready to be copied and pasted. No more typing for hours. Step 3. Upload your CSV file into Canva. Now let Canva work its magic. In no time, you'll have 50 beautiful Eid cards ready to go. Simply download, share, and you're officially an Eid prep superhero. Bonus tip, quick, save this as a template for next year. That way, you'll be even faster. You're welcome. And there you have it, friends. Eid cards for everyone, no stress, and all in a flash. Wishing you and your loved ones a truly blessed Eid Mubarak.